Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about Copilot. It's an AI assistant. What is an AI assistant? It's actually an artificial intelligent agent that helps you get work done. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Copilot in your system. So open VS Code and go to the activity bar here, and we are going to install this extension called GitHub Copilot. This one. I actually already installed it. So this is the one you need to install in your system. By clicking, you can just click here. You have already installed it, so there's no need for me to do it again. Once you do it, I've created a file here. You can actually hit command I, this, and it will open this task. Yeah, you can write your prompt here, and let's type something like and then hit enter. Voila, so we got a result here. Print. We got our code here. We can simply click here, accept, and we have our code. We can save it, and then let's test the code. The code is working. I've run my code now, so you can see the code was printing to return hello world, so it's working. So this is how you can actually use Copilot to code faster and improve your productivity. I hope you got some value from this video. Thanks for watching.